this video we are going to learn modular arithmetic. As you see on the board, that is the equation of modular arithmetic. In this video we are going to focus. Remember that when solving problem in modular arithmetic, always is dealing with the cyclic event, like watch, like the clock is in 12 hours or in 24 hours. That is the multiple of 12. Or you can say by the use of, let's say the repetitive event, or like market day is used to held in up every 7 days. Assuming you have the hand of clock like this. This is 12, this is 6, this is 9, this is 3, this is 9. Assuming in the hand of clock like this, you ask to find the 8 hour, 9 hour after 10. Assuming the modulo, you ask to find the 9 hour after 10. 9 hour after 10. Let's say you ask to find the modulo like this. Assuming the modulo is mod 12. Then how many hours do we have after 10? Okay, when dealing with the clock, this is in mod 12. You ask to find the 9 hour after 10. Assuming you are using a clock. 9 hour after 10. Then you ask to find the 9 hour after 10. Then how many hours are you going to get here? This is how the modulo. But always in this one, for you to know the actual hour after 10, you have to use modular arithmetic, okay, in finding the solution. Okay, for you to find the solution of this, you can add this number. Since we are in mod 12, this is 19, this is 19 of 12. 19 divided by 12, we can ask how many 19 do you have in 12. That is, we may go 1 times, that is all in all. We get 19 as, let's say, 6 times 3 is equals to 18. Or you can add and subtract. If you subtract 19 hour, 19 minus 12, you get 9 plus 10 is equivalent to 7 mod 12. That is the modulo. That is the 9 hour after 10 we get. Okay, then without wasting much of our time, let's enter into our problem here we're dealing with. Okay, in dealing with such problem in equation of modular arithmetic, we're supposed to look at the equation here given. Since we have 17 is equivalent to x mod 5. Since the modulo is given is in mod 5 here, now we are going to find the modulo. Then we can replace x with. Then for you to get 17, how many 5 do you have in 17? How many 5 do you have in 17? That is the modulo. The remainder is the modulo. Since we have 17, then 17 will be equals to, let's say, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2. Or we can say 5 times 3 plus 2. Any one we write here, it can suit the problem. Now, since we get the remainder, 17 divided by 5, also you can apply, you can use division method also. You can use 17 divided by 5 also in getting the answer. 17 divided by 5, you may get 3, remainder 2. That is 5 can go into 17 3 times, with the remainder 2. That is our remainder. Always you consider that is our x, is our remainder. Therefore 17 is equivalent to mod 5. Therefore we can say our x here, let's conclude it by saying our x is equals to 2. That is all for this. Then in solving the next question here, since we have 5x is equivalent to 8 mod 6, then we can solve the problem here in this way. You can say solution. If you have 5x is equals to 8 in mod 6, we wanted to know the number. If you multiply, you can get 5 here. Okay, what is the number if you multiply you can get 5? Since 8 is not the number, then we can say 5x is equals to equivalent to, then we can add 6 to 5, add 6 to 8. And if you add by adding 8 plus 6 in the number, if you add 6 plus 8, here you will get, if you add 8 plus 6, let's add 8 plus 6 first. 8 plus 6, this is equals to 2 here to here, then you can get 12. Okay, now if you add 6 to 8, you know we cannot solve this one with a common linear equation where we can divide both sides by 5. No, until you find the number here that is divisible by 5 here. 8 plus 6, that is, here you will get 14. Okay, now you can keep adding, then you can add 14 plus 6 again, that is equals to 20. By keep adding the number, since you get 20 as the mod, then you can divide by 20. You have 5, you have x is equals to 20 divided by 5. That is, the value of x here is equals to the value of x 20 divided by, that is 4. Therefore x is equals to 4. As simple as this. Now we get the value of x as 4. If you multiply 5 times 4, you may get 20 here. We just follow it step by step, not because we cannot just jump into the number direct. Okay, now if you multiply 5 times 4 is 20, is equivalent to 8 mod 6. Okay, then the last question we have on the board, can you solve the question here which says 5y plus 3 is equivalent to mod 11. When solving such problem in this way, then we have to subtract, take these 2 to the right hand side. Therefore we have 5y is equals to, we can say 2 minus 3 mod 11. Therefore we have 5y is equivalent to, let's say here is minus 1 mod 11. You know we cannot leave our modulo as negative, as the way we solve in the table. For you to eliminate the minus, we are taking the mod and we are adding the modulo with the minus. Now we have minus 1 is minus 1 plus 11. We have to add the modulo again. We get this is equals to 10. Now 10 can be divisible by 5. Therefore we have y is equals to 10 divided by 5. Therefore y is equals to 5 here 1, 5 here 2. Therefore the value of y here is 2. You mod 2. You mod 2 5 times 2 plus 3 is equals to 2 mod 11. Remember, this is an equation of modular arithmetic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.